Hello, my name is Gaurav Chand, and the demo topic for today is Ohm's Law. This topic is from the chapter Electrostatics, and it is in class 10 physics. So, before going straight to the topic, because this topics gives the relationship between potential difference and the electric current at constant temperature. So, what is electric current? So electric current is flow of charge particle uh, per unit time and passing through any conductor. So what is electric current? So electric current is the rate of flow of charge passing through any conductor. And what is potential difference? The potential difference is for the definition of potential difference is very complex for class 10 because it stated that it is just the work done per unit charge to carry out one charge from a particular point to another point. So basically in class 10 we can assume the potential difference of voltage like it is an electrical pressure. If the more pressure, electrical pressure, the current will flow more like that. So it is just electric pressure. Now, this law, the Ohm's law, discovered by a German physicist, George Simon Ohm, in 1827. So basically, he was a physicist and he done many electrical experiments, and by doing all that he noticed that whenever he increases the potential difference of voltage of any electrical circuit, automatically it leads to increasing in the amount of electric current passing through that circuit. So he saw he noticed that actually whenever he increases the potential difference, the electric current also increases, and vice versa. Whenever he decreases the potential difference, also leads to decreasing in the amount of electric current passing through that circuit. So by this we can say that the electric current is directly proportional to the potential difference. So he stated that the electric current passing through that circuit is directly proportional or depend upon the voltage of that circuit. So he formulated a formula that V is equal to IR. Here R is a constant. So basically, he said that the ratio of potential difference and the electric current of any circuit is always constant in given constant temperature. If the temperature is constant, the ratio of the potential difference and the electrical current is remain same. So George Simon Ohms, as we know that he has stated that the current passing through the conductor is directly proportional to the applied voltage or potential difference, and it means the potential difference and the ratio of potential difference and to the current is constant in particular temperature, means a constant temperature. Now we will demonstrate it. So we will demonstrate the Ohm's law. Here we connected a conductor, basically it is a resistor, resistor offer resistance, and resistance is the property of any material which oppose the upcoming flow of electric current. So basically, Ohm's law stated that if we increase the voltage, then the current will increase. So in this conductor, this is the conductor, this is the power source. Here we use two AA batteries of 1.5 volt, and this is partially discharged battery, so it will around 2.35 volt right now. And this conductor connected with this ammeter in series, and also connected with this voltmeter in parallel. So when I close this circuit, now I'm completing this circuit. Now you can see the voltage is 2.35 and the electric current is almost 3 milliampere. So from Ohm's law, the ratio of the voltage to the current give us the resistance. So here we have to calculate 2.35 divided by 3 into 10 the power minus 3, and it gives around 783 ohms. Okay, now we don't have rheostat right now, so we have to manipulate the voltage by different battery. So I am taking a lithium ion battery, and this battery is around 4 or 3.9 volt. Now I am connecting the positive terminal of the battery to the positive terminal to the ammeter, and negative to the circuit. Now you can see that the voltage from this battery is around 3.9. So, and the electric current is almost 5 milliampere. Now using Ohm's law here, we get V upon I, that is the 3.9 divided by 5 into 10 the power minus 3, and we get almost 780 ohms. So that is the resistance offered by this conductor, and as we know that whenever we increase the voltage, the current get also increased. So that is the Ohm's law. Thank you.